In this video, you will learn how to assemble the extra shallow, quick attach roll-in wheel kit for the 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot wide dock sections. This kit is to be used in 0 to 13 inches of water. This will complement other detailed information provided in FLOE's written assembly instructions and owner's manual. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock system layout. Our Designer Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation. We recommend that the lower dock frame is a minimum of 8 inches above the water when properly adjusted. However, if you have high wave conditions that commonly exceed 15 inches, we recommend that you raise your dock accordingly.
Please note, the wheels and sand pads are sold separately. In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. Do not use an impact wrench or more than 15 foot-pounds of force to adjust your dock legs. Applying too much force to your dock legs will damage the mechanism. Do not use a corded drill to adjust the dock legs. Use of a corded drill may cause electrocution. Cordless drills may come to a sudden stop when the leg is fully extended or retracted. Be sure to set your cordless drill in clutch mode when adjusting the legs. Failure to use the drill in clutch mode may cause injury to your hand or arm.
To start, turn the dock upside down and place it on blocks to protect the deck surface. Next, insert a 1/2 by 1 inch bolt and a 1/2 inch nut into each pocket welded on the dock. Then, insert the wheel kit legs into the brackets that are pre-installed on the dock. Torque the bolt to 20 foot-pounds. Under normal conditions, the wheel kits are mounted as such. If necessary, the wheels may be turned 180 degrees for boat lift clearance. Please refer to your dock owner's manual for special conditions on setting up your dock.
Slide the wheel spacer onto the spindle, followed by the wheel. Then add a 2.5 inch washer and spindle clip. Insert one leg of the spindle clip into the hole on the spindle. Then, pull down on the lower leg of the clip until it snaps into the hole on the opposite side of the leg spindle.
Turn the dock right side up. If another section is to be connected, attach the quick connects to the end of the dock with the wheels. Align the quick connects so that they are touching the covers. This will ensure that your dock sections are in a straight line. To place an additional dock section on the side of your dock, the quick connects should be placed as wide as possible. For the 4 foot wide docks, the quick connects should be placed approximately 46 inches apart. For the 5 foot wide docks, approximately 58 inches apart. For the 6 foot wide docks, approximately 70 inches apart. And, for the 8 foot wide docks, approximately 94 inches apart.
Note, the quick connects should be spread apart as far as possible to keep the joining sections from shifting sideways. Secure the quick connects with a 3/8 by 1 inch bolt. Torque to 6 foot-pounds. For installing or removing multiple dock sections, place the connecting sections in the quick connect installation removal position. Now, you can push the docks into the water. Once the docks are in the desired position, place them into the quick connect set position. To adjust the height of the dock, you will need to locate the dock adjusting nut. This nut is located on the top of the dock. Using a FLOE speed wrench or a 1 1/8 inch socket and wrench, adjust the height of the dock so that the bottom frame of the dock is approximately 8 inches above the water. When determining water depth, be sure to include the amount of settling that will occur if you have a soft or muddy lake bottom.
If the water depth exceeds more than 13 inches, please use a larger wheel kit. Please do not use an impact wrench or more than 15 foot-pounds of force to adjust your dock legs. Applying too much force to your dock legs will damage the mechanism. Do not use a corded drill to adjust the dock legs. Use of a corded drill may cause electrocution. Cordless drills may come to a sudden stop when the leg is fully extended or retracted. Be sure to set your cordless drill in clutch mode when adjusting the legs. Failure to use the drill in clutch mode may cause injury to your hand or arm.
To raise the dock, turn the dock adjusting nut counterclockwise. To lower the dock, turn the dock adjusting nut clockwise. Use a level to make sure all dock surfaces are flat. Once the dock is set and leveled, place the plastic dock cap into the dock adjustment nut hole.
Your dock is now installed. Thank you for choosing FLOE. Please consult your local dealer if you need additional assistance.